So number 6, a linear function and a quadratic function are both polynomials. They're not very exciting polynomials. Linear function is degree 1, which just means the biggest exponent on x is going to be a 1, and quadratic is degree 2, so its biggest exponent is going to be a 2. Now, if you were to work out a quadratic equation and solve it, you always get 2 answers. Those are called roots. Roots are the things that make it equal 0. But sometimes your roots are real numbers, sometimes they're imaginary, they have I in there, and occasionally you only have one x-intercept instead of 2 x-intercepts. So if you were to solve something and you get 2 real numbers, 2 real roots, again, roots are like zeros, are similar to x-intercepts, the numbers that make the equation equal 0. But if you have 2 different x-intercepts, then both of those are real roots, 2 real numbers. If you have no x-intercepts, then you have no real roots. That means that the roots are things like things with I in there. 3 plus 5i, 3 minus 5i, something like that. There's nowhere on the x-axis is there 3 plus 5i or 3 minus 5i, so it doesn't get to hit the x-axis. And if you have just one x-intercept, you still have 2 roots, but it's just that you have the same root that repeats itself. So you have one unique root. So it's like something like x something like this. If you were asked to find the zeros of this, find the x-intercepts, find the roots, and you did this with factoring, you get 3 and 3, so it's only going to hit the x-axis one time, and that would be at 3. It's just that it happens to repeat twice, but there's only one unique one.